This is Cote in Montreal. I'm here at Dorval waiting for a bus, and this is, I guess, 133 heading westbound on the CP side. Didn't have a chance to walk over there. It's on a fairly breezy Friday afternoon. We're on the 10th of February 2023. And there's some double stacks on this 133 train. Let's see what we got here. I always prefer to have something on the CN when I'm here because it's just closer. This double stack train, the daily, at about 3 o'clock p.m. heads out from St. Luc Yard. So I got here about 3:15, just about ready to leave Dorval at that time. It got clearance off of its siding there at St. Luc to come out onto the main. Looked like it had two AC units on there, AC 44s, probably rebuilds. Rather windy day today, so I'm in the shelter on the CN side, waiting for my 211 or maybe a 405 bus that'll take me down to Dantonino Gru station quickly. A gray day, but it's 4 degrees above zero. Unfortunately, it's kind of windy. So if I'm here in the shelter, at least I'm not going to get blown away. And it's kind of a view that I don't get very often, coming off the bridge. I am zoomed in a little bit here, about 2 times maybe. Dimini, what is that? Dakota, Minnesota, and Eastern, the old short line that was spun off by CP and then reacquired. Yeah, don't see any CN trains. Not that way anyway. Nothing down there either. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. Where's that plane? There it is. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.